Well, Subway Surfer updated already. It's my update again, so... Why, how did it update? It updated 2 times already. Alright, I'm gonna do this for like 2 or 3 minutes. Not that bad. Let's do it. I almost had 200 videos. Oh no. This is... Well, it's happy. It's almost New Year, so... Christmas is over already. Everything's over. New Year's of this year. Valentine's Day. Happy Patrick's Day. Easter. Spring. Mother's Day. Father's Day. What else is over? Fireworks. Labbird or something. I don't know what it's called in September. Halloween is over, Thanksgiving's over, and Christmas. That's what's over. Sorry about the talking, but that's all of that is over for this year. Oh my gosh, I was meant to do that. Well, luckily Subway Surfer updated again 2 times this month. Every year every year Subway Surfer up. Oh no. Every month Subway Surfer updates. Every month. Yep, every month Subway Surfer updates. Now it's Happy New Year's. Today's December 28th. Tomorrow's the 29th. We're still in 2017. It's almost 2018, so... I will tell you guys what my old channel is called next year. I would tell you guys, but... No, wait.